Hello. All right. Haven't videoed any build on this, but I got a 10-foot foldable York rake for a 3.85 horse tractors. Heavy duty. I got more stuff I'm going to put on it. I'll put some leveling blades on it. Fold down leveling wheels for it. And maybe even some chisels. I'm not sure yet. Right now, this is what we got. Hydraulic pivot. The only reason I put two on and made them heavy duty is because of the chisels. If I put chisels on here and the leveling plates, be a lot more. Leveling plates are just plates that go on the York rake when these are down. They just fold out from here. You know, they come out and then they fold against the tines, and they're just like a 2-inch piece of edge just to level out the ground as you go. But I left room here to put down some leveling wheels that fold down going back. You know, I think it come out pretty good. We made it way heavier than we need to. Well, not way heavy, but I just got to come up with a kickstand, or not a kickstand, but a stand that pulls out from underneath. That's what I think I want to do. It shouldn't go low enough to have to where it will hit that stand, but put a centering pin there just for storage, because in the winter or when it's not in use, I can pull them cylinders off and the hoses and get them out of the weather. I'll need 8 hoses to run to the tractor. But so 2 5-footers make it a 10-foot wide. Tractors are 7-foot wide, so 1.5 feet over on each end. I know it's kind of like you'd like to have the same width of the tractor, because if the tractor turns or leans to one way or the other, then it digs in on that side it leans to. You know, the York rake will. Just the way it is. But put the leveling blades on, it's not too bad, but still, yeah, having 1.5 feet on ground like a driveway and stuff like that is pretty good. But trying to level a field with something that's wider than your tractor, you know, not leveling a field, but leveling an area, it's pretty hard. Got to do a lot of bucket work first. Yeah, so York rake, foldable York rake, 10-foot wide, 3 point. All right, and I got some other stuff I got to do, but that's my latest project. All right, thank you.